Motorists and residents who now have to battle bad roads are demanding that the authorities speed up their plans to repair the roads that were damaged by the recent flood rains. We have the details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Good roads gone bad and bad roads now worse. It is the story of many local roadways following the impact of successive weather systems on the island recently. What we can only describe as vehicular hopscotch was observed on some roadways as motorists tried to avoid potholes. Impatience, inexperience, or just bad luck can be costly on these roads.
Right now, front end gone, tire gone, can't get no passenger because passenger then them two come out, especially when rainfall.
Even new drivers who might drive to the place and not really understand the road can cause accident, you understand?
One of the unfortunate road users is Derek. We caught up with him at this garage. Derek is frustrated and feels he would be better off parking his vehicle and taking public transportation.
And the road, them mash up the car him, and it's a cost way too much, very expensive. Right now, milk out of shocks, want $24,000 for one shocks.
Another motorist says he can't park his vehicle. He earns his living daily using the motor car. But today, he was at the auto parts dealer.
Every day I have to change something. I cream myself, I have to dip on the road every day, and I go through some places that trust me. But today, I'm ready to fly off. See the road, them, pothole them, same way. How much, General?
Now Neil is a mechanic. He told us about the damage he has been seeing recently, some of which his clients blame on the bad roads.
Damage your tire costs you, depends on the type tire you wear, it costs you up to $10, $15, $12, $8, $9,000. And not only that, but to repair the rim, it going to cost you maybe another $2,000, $3,000 to repair the rim. What if you damage like two rims? Then you know the cost between the two rims and the tire, it exceeds a pressure to your pocket.
Neil says he expects the price of car parts to rise soon as the demand for replacement parts continue to climb.
A critical situation sometimes to get past your vehicle, it could drive the price up because the person will find himself with it. He's not going to sell it for maybe $10. He's going to sell it for like for $12, $11 or $12.50, $13, it all depends. So it brings another pressure to the motoring public.
This young man, who identified himself as Chow, rides a bicycle to most places. We watched as he navigated the bad roads with relative ease compared to the motor cars. Chow says this is a good time to have alternate means of travel.
Best thing I walking, honestly speaking, because the poor state of the road, it kind of make it more easier than to take a vehicle because, as we say, people are kind of depressed with the state of the road right now. Basically tarted up and stay away and hold up potholes.
We have observed ongoing road work in parts of the island, in particular in the corporate area. But residents say the authorities need to work faster to reach other roads more quickly as they are suffering with each passing day. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.